going to replace the paper towel. First, we have to press this button. There's a button here at the top, like that. Then, see? Then you slide it in this tube. Put this here. See that? See that? That should be here at the very bottom. Roll this side. See, you roll it. Now it's rolling. Paper is coming out. Then all the way. Put it over there. Close. If you want a longer paper, it's like that. Now it's ready. Okay? That's it. Right out. Then close it. This one, there's no button. You have to use a key. And this is the key. If this helps, please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Consider subscribing. Spray, spray, spray. And wipe. I use this paper towel. Hallway. This is the living room. This is the so dusty. Yeah. Window. This is the floor. What that? Okay. Close it. And this is the just painted it.